dear Lord, you made many, many poor people. I realize, of course, it's not a shame to be poor. But it's not great honor either. So, what would have been so terrible if I had a small fortune? If I were a rich man, yabba dabba 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 dum. All day long I'll biddy biddy bum. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba dabba 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 dum. If I were a pretty pretty rich, idle diddle 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 man, I'll build a big tall house with rooms by the dozen right in the middle of the town. A fine tin roof with real wooden floors below. There would be one long staircase just going up, and one even longer coming down, and one more leading nowhere just for show. I'll fill my yard with chicks and turkeys and geese and ducks for the town to see and hear, squawking just as noisily as they can. And each loud would land like a trumpet on my ear, as if to say, here lives a wealthy man. If I were a rich man, yabba dabba 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 dum. All day long I'll biddy biddy bum. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba dabba 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 dum. If I were a pretty pretty rich, idle diddle 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 man, I see my wife, my golden, looking like a rich man's wife with a proper double chin, supervising the meals to her heart's delight. I see her putting on airs and strutting like a peacock. Oh, what a happy mood she's in! Screaming at her servants day and night. The most important man in town will come to fawn on me. They'll ask me to advise them, like a Solomon the wise. If you please, Rabbitavia, pardon me, Rabbitavia, posing problems that would cross a rabbi's eyes. And it won't make one bit of difference if I answer right or wrong. If you're rich, they think you really know. If I were rich, I'd have that time that I lack to sit in a synagogue and pray, and maybe have a seat by the eastern wall. And I'll discuss the holy books with a learned man several hours every day, and that would be the sweetest thing of all. If I were a rich man, yabba dabba 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 dum. All day long I'll biddy biddy bum. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba dabba 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 dum. Lord who made the lion and the lamb, you decreed I should be what I am. Would it spoil some vast internal plan if I were a wealthy man?